Hi everybody, my name is Xochitl Rodriguez. I'm in Silmar, California, and today was a micro-green profitable day, so I'm happy that it was still profitable.
Yeah.
Anyway, enjoy, just want to say hi and enjoy today's stock review.
You guys rock. Hey traders from around the world, welcome to your Monday real life stock review. That was the beautiful, the bounteous, and the incredible Xochitl Rodriguez. I'm staying with her here in northern Burbank, California. Going to be visiting some traders here in LA on Wednesday and just having a great time with so many incredible human beings. What we're looking at right now is the SPY, and this lower shadow is actually not totally accurate. It shows up on multiple charting softwares. This is the handy dandy trend spider, and you can see that lower shadow is there as well. So if you zoom into a 15-minute chart, it's not entirely there. There's no real lower shadow. We had a gorgeous gap up this morning where pretty much everything in the market rampaged higher, and then we got a nice little later in the afternoon sell-off. So my thoughts on the SPY and just kind of the broader markets in general, this is a retest gap. I would really like to see us, well, retest. We are at all-time highs again. The market is extremely bullish. The trends are very bullish, but getting up into these nosebleed areas, it's kind of coming into a better better selling location than a buying location specifically, or at least that's how I feel right about now. Let me go look at some stocks that were requested. Here's Amazon. There's a really interesting pattern shaping up on Amazon that I want to kind of share with everyone. So Amazon is AMZN. Let's get that pulled up really quick. And this is just a really, really cool pattern. So if I go to a weekly chart, and let's just do a one chart for right now, so we can all kind of see it kind of clear. The weekly chart, you have this really, really tiny high wave candle, and I was kind of hoping that today would end with a bearish candle. So you have nice upper shadow here, pretty bearish candle here, and today is the first day that we closed above the high of the December 5th candle on Amazon. If I go over to Amazon on TradingView and pull up the weekly, I have a 100 simple on a weekly chart acting as a little bit of a support. So right now we are actually inside last week's high on Amazon. So keep a very close eye on for it to pop above there and slowly grind higher, potentially tomorrow or the next day, even if it's just for a very fast pop. That could be one that some people make a little bit of money on overall. All right, next on the list is gold, which is ticker symbol GLD. And gold, my expectation on this one is for it to kind of just trade sideways. This purple line again is the 105 EMA on a daily chart. You have a pretty good candle pattern coming in here, a little bit of a morning star reversal pattern over the last 2 or 3 days. So if gold starts breaking above 139.45 and making some higher highs, I think that you could be looking at playing gold a little bit on the bullish side. I don't personally have any position in this one, although I do like to pull back on the weekly chart to the 20 EMA. Looks good. I really like this little flush lower here back on November 11th, trapping some bears and stopping some bulls out. I could see gold eventually continuing a little bit higher, but right now just kind of hanging out, doing its thing. Nothing too incredibly exciting. All right, next on the list I had requested was ticker symbol PTI. This is a therapeutics company, and PTI had a really strong, absolutely massive move since November. So we're up, good old paltry 300% in the last month. So a lot of traders asking me, what would you do on PTI up here? And the answer is just be very cautious. I wouldn't specifically be buying up here because it is, again, in nosebleed territory, massive amount of white candles in a row. It's a therapeutics company, so I doubt many people know exactly how they make money. And you can see that it's had many nice run-ups before in the past, only to eventually drop. And if history repeats itself, which it often does, I wouldn't expect a whole heap ton of differences from PTI going forward in the future. So just something to keep your eyes on. Let's go look at some swing trades that we're in. JD.com. So JD.com got some shares on this one, and a few traders do as well. With a covered call at 35 that expires this Friday, I'm actually going to be pretty happy if JD closes above 35. I'll get called away for a profit and all will be good to go. And love, love, love this weekly chart, this hammer, the retest, the moving averages. Everything about JD looks bullish to me. If I get called away at 35 this Friday, wonderful. And if not, guess what I'm going to do? That's right. sell another one higher, probably 36 or 37 for January. Obviously, talk of the town was Tesla. You all know I'm bullish on Tesla. You all know I've just absolutely cleaned up on today's move. Beautiful, bullish gap and go, right? Yesterday was a bearish candle. Fantastic gap up. Such a nice move. Deliriously delightful trend. A lot of traders on this one have put sales, shares, long call options, all kinds of bullish positions on Tesla. Really great to see this gap and go on Tesla just absolutely run. I did miss it for a day trade, although I mean it didn't get much easier than just breaking out and going along there with a stop down there. But I was already in on a bullish day trade. I'll show you that in just a moment. Tesla, just a gorgeous move, absolutely sensational trend, buy the dip. At this point, time will tell, my friends, just what Tesla does with this massive resistance. I really don't know. I do expect it to poke its head into the 390 region and then probably get some pullback and then go higher. But yeah, Tesla, when it will hit 400, I don't know the answer to that question, but it's not a matter of if, it's simply a matter of when. So DocuSign, this is a trade that we played today in the morning day trading room for a small gain, mostly just a continuation. You had a white candle, really good looking candle with a gap up above the high. You have a little bit of a high wave candle here with pretty light volume. So if DocuSign sees some higher highs come through and some kind of bullish continuation both tomorrow and or Wednesday, I'd like to see DocuSign continue to go higher. Trend looks pretty nice at this point, but this is one that we were able to snag for a 0.3R gain on DocuSign. We were also in KRUS bullish for a swing trade. We're up on that very, very small right now, and I'm just really fingers crossed for a close above 26.36 at some point in the near future. Shout outs to Greg Young and numerous traders who just soiled ROKU today, both bearish and bullish. Had some traders snag some gains on the bear move right here, and then some traders flip it, reverse it, and catch it bullish on the ride up. So congratulations. Matt DeLong, well done on Micron Technology. This was a wonderful gap up above resistance, earnings hours away on MU. So really pumped to see what this one does. Keep in mind, if earnings does gap up, it can continue to run, but I would assume that Micron does something pretty similar to what it did today if Micron gaps up, which is run higher and then have a little bit of a late afternoon sell-off. Anyway, folks, that's just some quick reviews. If you have any stocks that you want me to check out or you have a request, just let me know. Post them in the comment section below. Email me anytime, Jerremy@reallifetrading.com. You know how to contact me. Thanks so much for being amazing, and I will see you all on Wednesday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.